Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a primary educator and a mother of two. We just got our Idea Collective kits and we're super excited to just see what's inside. So inside each box there are outdoor activities, science lessons, and arts and crafts projects for the kids. So I love the kits because it doesn't have anything to do with screens and they're learning through doing. Another thing that I really think is important is having them create something tangible that goes along with what they're learning in the classroom. The directions were simple and easy to use, so it's really geared towards all different age levels, which is super cool. So the materials are locally sourced, which is really important to me, and no plastic, all made from sustainable materials. So I would definitely recommend this to any parent with a curious kid at home that's interested in having them learn about the natural world in a fun, hands-on way.